day, malong yusil silmor kamil rogoy. Nga kang Clara Delanie K Termeteet, and I am a junior at Palau High School. And this week, I have been interning here at TMC for my mentoring work-study program. As a part of my work-study experience, on today's program, I will be sharing with you some of the upcoming events happening in the next few weeks. Now this Saturday, May 25, two very captivating events will occur. During the day, starting at 9 a.m. with a registration, is the Island Jams 3x3 basketball tournament for people ages 19 and above. This will be taking place at the PHS Spiders Gym, and it's being hosted by the Omugulel La Biblia Church. And in the evening, beginning at 6:30 p.m. at the Ngar Amayong Cultural Center, is the Gadul La Omerail for the 13th Festival of the Pacific Arts and Culture. There will be dances, live band, and an art display for all the preparation of the 13th FestPAC being held in Honolulu, Hawaii. New scholarship opportunities have been shared and announced by the Palau National Scholarship Board. So for those of you fresh out of high school, this is your opportunity to pursue education abroad. Now, speaking of fresh out of school, the month of May and June are the graduation ceremonies. So congratulations to all of the graduates of 2024 here and abroad. Here are the dates for the high school graduation ceremonies. On May 26th, Palau Mission Academy. Congratulations to the graduating class of PMA. On May 27th, Emmaus Petenya High School. Congratulations to the graduating class of EBHS. June 8th, Midzenti High School. Congratulations to the graduating class of MHS. And last but not least, June 19, Palau High School. Congratulations to the graduating class of PHS. Now, in case you missed it, and I really hope you didn't, now on May 17th was the 60th commencement exercise for Palau Community College's graduating class of 2024. So once again, congratulations to all the graduates of 2024 here and abroad. Now, thank you all for tuning in to this special program. Before I leave you, I would like to extend my gratitude to the crew here at TMC Palau for giving me this opportunity to host this segment of their content. I would also like to give a special shout out to my fellow peers who are also out and about Palau, mentoring at various workplaces. Spartans, class of 2025, what is your profession? Now, one more thing. Follow TMC's Facebook page for more announcements on what's going on in Palau. We also have a YouTube channel, if you didn't know, where you can watch more special programs like this one. Click on the subscribe button here and click the like button down below if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you for watching. My name is Delanie, and this is me signing off. Till next time.